Good morning everyone. I am here to show you some methods of mending. What we need are some scissors, needle, thread, and some old clothes. First is I'm gonna do the patching. Next is I'm gonna do the darning or reweaving. Now I'm making restitching. Next is I'm doing replacing or fastening. The one that I'm doing is refixing. I'm doing of using of iron on fabrics or iron on. Next is I'm doing applique. Lastly, I'm using of fabric glue. Importance of mending is it is important because it helps us take care of the clothes we already have instead of throwing them away when they get damaged. By fixing small tears, losing buttons or holes, we save money, reduce waste, and show responsibility for our belongings. It also teaches us patience and creativity, reminding us that not everything needs to be replaced. Sometimes all it takes is a little effort to give something a second life.